Hi there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw an airplane. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw an aeroplane. Let's draw its wings. Here's its windows. Here's another wing. Let's draw a tiny wing. Here's its tail. And I'm using my blue pen. Let's draw its engine. I'm using my pencil. In its windows, I'm using my cyan pencil. Let's draw some clouds with my cyan pencil. And I'm using my pencil again. To color the round windows, I'm using my cyan pencil. My drawing is done. It's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.